I had a dream. I was a bird flying over the forest. I've never been to a forest, you know, it's just a dream that gives me desire. Desire to get away from all this crap. That was only a dream.
Well, Harry, forest represents feelings of being lost, but also exploring your unconscious mind. That dream may represent your eagerness to be free. Harry, 6 months is just a lot of time for someone like you to be in treatment, and you don't even depend on a treatment. Listen, Harry, this isn't where you belong. Your mother is here.
Right.
It is time for you to go, dear.
Wait, what? No, I'm not going anywhere, Margot.
What is it, Harry? What is it? You tell me. How can I help you if you refuse to talk? If I only knew the real reason why you're here. Tell me, who hurt you, Larry?